Hey everybody, just a little thought for you this morning. Sitting here thinking about it, and kind of an annoying thing. Why is it that so much hunting equipment and apparel uses Velcro? I mean, don't get me wrong, Velcro is very cool and very convenient. There is not another sound in nature that mimics the sound of Velcro. I don't think. Prove me wrong. So, a message to all those outfitters and gear makers and manufacturers out there: make stuff that's quiet, because you can slide into your hunting spot, you can cover your scent, you can be as quiet as you want, and then you reach for your bow and you grab your release and you have to unzip the Velcro to get it, to put it on, and then you hear that sound, and it's noisy, and there is not another thing in the woods that sounds like that. So, come on people, we can do better. Tell me what you think. Happy hunting, everybody.